Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. Today, here are my recipe. I will be cooking spinach. So let me show you what you need to cook your spinach. Here I have spinach, I have tomatoes, here I have oil. This oil, I put it in the cup because the rubber of the oil is very big, so I wouldn't like to put it here. So this place is not enough for me to put the big oil, so then this is why I put it in the cup. So I have rosemary, I have curry powder. Here I have crayfish, grounded crayfish, and pepper, ground pepper. I have 2 bonus of scuba because I love using a lot of fish in my spinach. So I want all together, then we scatter, you know. I like when the fish, they will scatter, there will be pieces. So you will not even see the full of the fish. Everything will be scattered inside the spinach. This is how I like my spinach. So here is fresh meat, and here is ishaki. I have 2 bonus of onions, and I have 2 Maggi cube. So now I have my pot already in the fire here. So now I will be putting the meat inside. Okay guys, now I have to put the shaki. First of all, I open the pot now. You can see the water is boiled already. I have to put the shaki first. This is the shaki. Okay, I will put the fresh meat now together with the shaki. Here I have to add salt. I'm adding 2-3 teaspoons of salt. Then I have my onions. I slice, you know I have 2 bonus of onions, but I sliced 1 already now. I'm putting 1 onion. Now I will put thyme, rosemary, and curry powder. Okay, I want to check the meat now. I have to turn. I need to add a little water. I have to add a little water now. So now I turn. The smell of the meat is so nice. The aroma is so nice. It smells good. That is why I always love to use rosemary when I'm cooking, when I'm boiling meat, and the curry powder. They smell nice, you know. They are the one that is bringing this aroma. I like it. Okay guys, now I'm adding oil. Here my oil. Now I start frying the tomatoes because I used to put tomatoes in the spinach soup because I love using tomatoes. I will stew the tomatoes first. You know that I have 2 bonus of onions. First of all, before I used one, now I'm using the second one. So let's get started. You can see I made the thing on the fire with the thing here. So now we'll be spilling the tomatoes. Okay, I have 1 bottle of tomatoes as I showed you people before. Now I'm spilling the 2 bottles. Okay. Pepper, the grounded pepper and the fish. Now I'll be adding the pepper first together with the fish. I turn a little bit. Okay. See a lot. I see this is the 2 bonus of fish, the one I showed you before. Now we'll add all together inside because I like the fish inside the spinach soup. Okay, now I turn it. Yeah, I have I have 2 cubes of Maggi before. Now we'll be adding the last one because I had the first one before in the boiling meat. Now this is the last one. So I put it inside this stew. Now we turn it a little bit and we leave it for a while. I will get back to you. Okay, my meat and the shake is ready. As you can see, the stew is here. You see the color of my stew, so nice. So this one is ready as well. Now we put water in the fire so that we can put the spinach inside. I just want to boil it a little bit, just 5 minutes. Now I will be putting the spinach. Yeah, the spinach. Now I remove the spinach. Nice. You have to filter it. Okay. Okay. Now my spinach is going to the pot. The stew is inside already. Now I'm putting this spinach. Now we turn it. Wow. You see it? Oh. You know I like my fish to be scattered. I have to scatter everything. I don't want to see. Now we put I will remove the bone one by one. Now I will be adding the shake and fresh meat. Oh, I like the aroma of my spinach soup. This one will be so nice for pounding yam. So nice for pounding yam. Wow, I like the smell. Oh, this is outcoming of my spinach soup. Wow, it looks so nice, so beautiful. My food is ready. Join me. Thank you guys for joining me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have subscribed before. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.